Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Jasmy. I hope that you are having a fantastic day and I hope the next days will bring you many profits. Let's go and head to the price targets right here. So potentially we were talking yesterday about the Jasmy closing above the 0.0263 to get to 0.0318, 0.0365. We haven't done this on the daily frame. However, on the 4-hour frame, we have marked it. Right now, what we need to do in the next 4 hours is to stay above the 0.0263, and if we can manage to do that, then we can pull it off to 0.0318. I think that the most likely though, and the most actually protectful for you scenario is that we close above on the daily frame. It would be better. Right now we stand at the 50-day exponential moving average, and we are going to show what is the most probable scenario for the next hours as well, for the very short term, right? So eventually the 50-day MA is a strong resistance level sitting at 0.0282 around there, okay, because it is changing. But anyway, this is one of the reasons why we found actually a sell pressure before. And as you can see on the daily frame, we are approaching an overbought with the stochastic side, but it has nothing to do. Sometimes we are just getting started when the stochastic side is in an overbought situation. But if we see the stochastic side going upwards and then going a little bit downwards and the price hasn't pumped, then this usually is a little bit bad because you have an overbought, the price does not react the way we want it to go, so we have an impulsive wave and therefore we expect the price to go down. Okay, so this is what is happening right now. 0.0263, 0.0318. Let's see for the short term right now. We all care for the short term, right? And of course the resistance and support levels. What do we have here? We have a little bit of a high risk, as you can see on Jasmy, with the RSI floating around 70, above the 70 and so on. We want to see right now if we can do something like this one right here and potentially have another higher high, possibly leading to the 0.0318. Okay, the first resistance level is around the 0.029, but this will be a minor resistance level for Jasmy, right? So eventually this is the case right now. What we want to see though is to hold the 0.0263. Now this is the most important support level in the history. No, I'm just kidding, but it is the most important support level for now for Jasmy. Okay, so we need to step above the 0.0263 and we can manage to pull it off probably to the 0.0318. If we lose this line and we close below this line right here, then expect a further drop for Jasmy, and then I think that we will be floating from this bottom right here to this top. I think that we will be going down to the 0.024 and the 0.0227. Okay, these will be the major support levels right now. I'm just going to have this one right here. Okay, so 0.0263, 0.0242. Losing this will mean that we are losing Jasmy down to the next support levels and we will probably find buying pressure around there. But holding this line will mean that we first step at the 0.029 and then at the 0.0320. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one right here. I'm going to have just the price levels right there, and let's go to the 1 hour frame to see some things right here. We have a lower high pattern right here, and at the same time we have a higher high in the price, so therefore yes, we have a little bit of a bearish RSI divergence, but the good news is that we have the stochastic side in an oversold as well, so this could bring the price upwards. We will have to wait and see. I would suggest you, if you want to be more certain about your price entry, if we close above on the daily frame above the 0.0263, then this is for sure almost certain that we are having the 0.0320 and the 0.0367, which is a very important resistance line. Now, many people ask me, can Jasmy go to 1 USDT? For me personally, this is a no. However, approaching a realistic price like 0.0558, okay, or something like that could be the case, right? Could be the case that we go to 0.0797. It could be the case that we go even higher, but at the same time right now, we have to take it step by step as we always do. We have to be rational and we have to see things as they are and not as we want to see, because many times we people are being biased. We want the price to eventually pump, and we are thinking and we are seeing actually things that we want to see. Okay, so we are saying that, oh yeah, Jasmy is looking great right now, I'm going to buy more because it's going to pump. Eventually though, do you have any reason to believe that? Well, yes, because the well positions are increasing, and of course we have the technical analysis that suggests that we have the exact price targets right there for you every day on Mind Your Crypto. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription as well, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.